Leave them, give them the job.
Bigot yata.
Okay.
They're going southeast, I guess.
Def tank southeast, def tank southeast. Def tank southeast, def tank, oy, def tank, oy, that's front, that's front, that's front, that's front. Hello. We kiting northwest, okay? On me now, shallow. On this step tank 3. So, ano? Itim. Now, come back now. Peel now. Peel. Go northwest. On the choke again, ha? Keep going. CD now, well, CD now. CD. Okay, CD. Wait. Now, on me now. 5. On me now. 4, 3, 2, 1. No. Drop. Trapping. Now come west to the choke. Peel now. Peel, depth tank. To the choke again, to the choke. Take the whole. CD now, CD down to the whole. In the end of the whole CD. End of the whole CD. Keep going west. Tell me ready. Keep going west.
They're not coming.
Pass the choke. Now on this depth tank again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me now. Now come back now. Peel now. Purple now. Ready patch now. Touch now. Keep going. This is W on the step tank.
Not
This is
coming.
W.
They're not coming.
Come back now. CD now. CD. Hit the CD on me. Hit the CD and walking. On the shallow again. Shallow 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me now. Come back now. Pass. Pull. Get out away from the choke. Cross the choke. Cross.
Not falling.
CD falling. Now on this step time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me now. Now come back again. They're gonna walk in now. Okay, get away from the choke. We're going to get away from the choke. Go southeast now. Southeast. CD.
Not coming. Not falling.
CD. Okay, again. Oh, yeah. Come back. Just hold.
They're kiting southeast again.
Okay.
Again.
Okay. They're gonna okay. Walk. Come back now. Pull them. Okay na kami. On me shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me shallow. Come back. Too deep. Come back now. Cross the choke. CD.
Flanks.
CD. Tell me ready. Come southwest. No, walk in now, free. Walk in now, on me now. I'm gonna peg first. Okay? I'm gonna peg on this route band. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit him. Nice kill. Come back southeast. Come back southwest. CD southwest on me. CD, listen.
Not falling.
Southwest. Ilang, walk in. Ay, come back. They're walking in eh. Depth tank, you're too. Hit me depth tank. Demon. No, walk in. No fear. Walk in. I'm gonna peg, okay? On me now, shallow. On me pull. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me now. Come to the choke again. Come to the choke. Patch now. Patch now. Now. CD walking. No fear. On me 5, on me 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, top of me. Down point. Top of me. Come back now again. Come back now. Take the hold. Back more. CD now, hit the CD on me. No, hit the CD. Tell me ready. No, may pull. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pull. Hit mo, pull. Just on top of me. Come back. Left tank, come back. CD. Hit me depth tank. Walk in now. East side. Walk in. Now go north. North. 5. Find me north. 4, 3, 2, 1. This is sila. Okay, come back. Okay, come back. I feel now. Get away from the choke. Get away from the choke, guys. Don't stop moving. CD on me. CD. Tell me ready. CD.
Whoever this hunt who's placing the flower on the rock, we can't reach it, sir. Please place it on the ground.
Okay now, shallow kami now, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit mo na shallow. Nakambak. Comeback now. CD.
They're depending on lag.
CD. Now, on me now, shallow again. 5, 4. Okay, comeback. Putang ina. 3, 2, 1. Hit mo na. Top of me. Drop me. Nakambak.
Oh, continue your count, bro. You've been saying 4 and then engage.
Just because the DPS are just beside me. They're just gonna drop the damage, guys.
Damage is not reaching there. Like they're waiting for like.
Yeah.
Suddenly,
Okay. Walking. Fakey, okay. Wait, come back na. Guys, do you have Giga? No.
Loot their bodies, bro. They have kick out. I did that.
We're
There's a healer on North Fork.
yeah, we're gonna we can soak, bro. Baka.
South is healing.
Okay. Kami na shallow. Hold on. You guys stay here, okay? I'm gonna pull them northwest, okay? Stay here. You're gonna hit over the wall, okay?
They're not engaging.
Okay.
They will.
Bye. 4, on 3, 3, 2, 1, drop it. Now, come back. They walking in. Depend. Papads na, hit front. Walking now. On me now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on top of me. Drop. Now, come back. Fuck, let's see there, bro.
Bro, you called on 3.
Abang. Okay.
I need cleanse.